Welcome to Gold Weekly Recap at the end of the week. And this was the gold analysis that I had from start of last week. See, it was published on September 26, 2020 at 10 p.m., 10:40 p.m. at night. I didn't upload this. I forgot to record a video. I just didn't have time. Had other shit going on in life. Other than that, basically, price was just consolidating between these two ranges, 1849.5 and 1874.0. So you're saying safe sells at the break of that level, right? Otherwise, if we broke 1874, then we'd head up to 1910. And or if we rejected 1849.5, then we would head up, right? And then possible lower high. And then if we were to continue up, price would have to break 1910.5. So let's check what happened. Gold had three nice trades, and we'll go through it. So first, this is where market opened up, and then price went down to the bottom of the range and rejected it. We'll go over how it rejected it. So this was the start of the week. This was a very nice play, and it happened after London Open, so almost 2 hours after London Open. Price bottomed out. Initial rejection here, higher low, price moved up, created a high at this level, then created another higher low, and eventually we reached 1874.0, right? So if we even go in 1 minute, we can see how clean this move was. So see, this is why gold works wonders at these key levels. And initial rejection, higher low could have entered here, and then stop loss would be right below. It's like 15 pips, higher low, and then price pushed up, more higher lows, higher high, right? So super clean. Let's say you entered right here after price made a bunch of higher lows. Your stop loss would be below this wick, 18 pips for like a 230 pip move. And see, price went from 5 a.m. to 9 a.m. 3 hours, it went up 230 pips. So that was the first good quality trade of the week on gold, right? So that one, 18 pip stop loss and like 1 to 12 risk reward. And then price broke up, and in our analysis, according to analysis, it would go up to 1910 if it broke up. So it broke up, created a high, and then we were looking for a retest of this level or this zone, and we got a retest of the zone at 1875.5 rather than 1874. It's still okay, and that was during pre-London, came down, and then we created a high pre-New York. So New York also grabbed liquidity down here before continuing up. And then eventually, over the course of the week, we ended up coming to 1910, right? And you know that on initial reaction, when price initially comes to a level, it's going to have some sort of reaction. Doesn't mean it's going to break right away. So this was very nice at 1 a.m. on Tuesday, right? Yeah, 1 a.m. Tuesday, price came down here, rejected it, and then we'll go into lower time frame and see what that was like. Yeah, so price tapped, left a nice wick, and then several retests up here, higher low more, and then continue up. And see, it came, so at least it filled up to the high, right? Although we pulled down in New York for more liquidity because there's not enough order flow to keep pushing up from here, just from here to here was 100 pips, right? And like 2 a.m. till 7 a.m., 5 hours, 100 pips, and then price came down, got more liquidity, created a higher low, and then pushed up to almost 1900, right? So that was like another 200 pips in that same day. Excuse me. But you see how we eventually came up to 1910, which was the next key level that we had from the analysis, right? Daily key level. So, and price is just, after we broke past 1874.0, price is just creating higher lows, right? And then eventually we reached up here. And then, like I said, when price initially comes to a zone, doesn't mean it's going to break it right away. Usually we're going to get some sort of reaction. Excuse me. Price came to it at near London close. and several rejections, and then boom, throughout the day, how much was this? 200 pips down, right? So we did get some sort of sell reaction from here, and then market's just consolidating the rest of the day. But yeah, see, so one move was a quality move right there, 200 pips, 150 pips up here, and then 230, 150, excuse me, 380, and then another 200. So 580 pips on gold, right? And you can see it's just reaction at the key levels, right? Reacting sells, buys on the retest, buys on the rejection of the previous low, daily low, and bottom of the range. So that's pretty simple. Yeah, that's gold. Those are the 3 trades that I thought were ideal. They were high quality, right? I don't like this. See, I like it when it's reacting to a level. Some people can 100% know how to trade gold during these things. I'm just not skilled enough in gold to be able to. So I stick to reaction of the key levels, right? But that's it. Thanks for watching.